Hello, everybody. Today we're gonna fix our heli. Today we're gonna return a helicopter with seats. This. Kalas-kalas na natin. Ina!
Ay, pan pala. Paglalita lang pala dito mo yung... Wala ka bang nag-a-vlog ka?
First, we're gonna take out the screw and guys, guys, this top came out and this bottom came out too. And then, guys, this is the screw. Sama natin dito para hindi natin malusit. And guys, we're gonna tanggal this piece. And guys, guys, the sides came out too. Look, guys. The side came out too. And guys, look at this. This side came out too. And guys, look at this. I just broke it. And guys, we're gonna turn this into a robot. Guys, look at this. We're gonna turn into a robot. Look. This goes here. Look. alo, lililu. Alo, lililu. Mm, mm. Now we're gonna put this together now, guys. Look at this. And putting it together. Look, guys. It's a bit tricky, but I think I cut it, guys.
Tanging dasal ang pusong nag-iisa. Ibang bigla ako na.
Look at this, guys. And
Basta maliit lang ang at ang bating yun. Basta maliit lang din. Sabi kasi nito, wala daw mga wala na yung testing ako lang, itali ko na. Hindi talaga itali ko na. Mabag pa lang parati sa kanya. Saan na kasi
the last one.
Wala na yung bating. Kahit luwag yung lugar.
Ano yung mga yun? Is that the last piece?
Yeah. You know, guys, it's just fixing it, but guys, this is the last piece, guys. Nag-vlog ako. And guys, look at this. It's almost done. And guys, we're done now. And guys, don't forget to subscribe and click the like button. Bye!